What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. Today I'm going to show you all how to trim this here pygmy date palm. Okay, reason you guys want to know why Leroy's trimming a date palm? Guess what? His wife wants him to get her done, so we're going to get her done. Now, tools you're going to need for this project, plain and simple. This puppy right here, and two of these puppies. That's all you guys need, okay? If you guys moisturize, make sure you put gloves on, but I don't moisturize my hands. There ain't no fucking reason for me to put gloves on. So I'm gonna set you guys down over here, but basically I'll give you a rundown before that happens. So you guys see this here, this branch browning up. We're gonna trim anything that's browning up on the ends. And what this does is it helps the plant, promotes growth. Right now, like this one here is all dead. All that's doing is sucking energy out of this plant, okay? And another reason I want to trim it is just to make it look a little bit nicer. So this is a pygmy date palm. We're probably just going to be trimming up this side here, this half. But I'll set you guys down, you guys can watch how to do it. Hopefully you guys can see there, I don't really know. So you just get up as close as you can and snip it. And when you snip it, you want to make sure you're at an angle like that to keep the water from going down into it, okay? Easy peasy though. We're just going to go around, we're going to snip a couple. Hopefully you all can see me all right. You know what? Put this down. There we go. Alright. Go around it, snip it, snip it, keep on going. Like I said, anything that's starting to turn brown on the tips, you all want to cut it off because that's just sucking energy out of your plant, and that's making it harder for the new sprouts to come out, the new stuff. Bring you guys back up here, y'all can see what we're doing. Actually, you know what, I got an even better spot for you guys right here. Put you back like that. We're coming around the back side. I'm going to show you guys something else here too. On these pygmy date palms, these things have some bitch thorns. Look at that. You don't want to get stuck by one of these, okay? I got stuck by an agave plant and my hand swelled up so bad I had to go to the damn doctor, which I don't like doing in the first place. But this is a pygmy date palm. All those are spikes. You don't want to touch that shit, all right? But you just keep going around the plant. Keep trimming them off. That one was being a little hard. I should have done this sooner. You're not supposed to let them get this dead before you trim them, but you know what? I've been busier than the motherfucker, so it don't matter. Alright, well that's it. We just did that one half here. As you guys can see, we dropped a bunch of branches. I'll clean them up in a little bit, but look how much better that looks, folks. Y'all see that? So like I said, this is how you trim a pygmy date palm. I got to pick all this shit here off too. Starting to get all moldy and stuff, but that'll be a project for another day. Like I said, I was just coming out here to trim those off because I noticed them drying up and getting dead. So the other side don't look too bad, and I can take a couple off, but I'm going to give it another couple weeks. But anyways, thank you all for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. This is called Leroy Fixing Shit. You guys don't know what we're going to be fixing, but I'll tell you something. We're going to be fixing something every day around this house. So I'll keep you all posted. Thank you for watching. Please remember, like and subscribe, and click the notification bell if you all like the content. Thank you. Have a great day.